Hey traders, Dave Moffitt here from Trade the Fund, and I do have some really exciting news for you. October is not just another month. It's a chance for you to win a $50,000 prop firm account. Yep, that's right, a $50,000 account. Well, how do you enter? It's ridiculously simple. Aim to make 1% profit every single day, and you're Forexing your Forex. That's it. Just do that, what you're already doing, trading. For those of you who've been part of the live trading session, you know how we consistently are hitting 1% almost every single solitary day. And if you're wondering how to Forex your Forex, don't sweat it. I got a free course called Forexing My Forex. That will put you on the right track. Now, once you've got that down, you're all set to compete. Whether you make 1% in an account or across multiple accounts, it doesn't matter. It all counts. After you do that, jump on over to our Discord channel and post your stats to the 1% a day leaderboard. Let's take a look here. We've got a ton of traders who are already crushing it. Mr. Badger at 4% today, Duke at 2.4%, Skyhawk at 1.9%, Referee Pete at 2.16%. Amazing stuff, folks. Join the community on Discord where we all work together to hit our goals of Forexing our Forex. A special shout out to Tammy for hitting 3.5%, for Megan with a solid 1%, and let's not forget Mr. Scalper at 1.8% across multiple accounts. We also have the Best Day Ever Club, and I want to say huge congrats to Brandon, who had an epic day yesterday with a 23.3% return. We can't wait to see you in our Discord community, and most importantly, in the live trading room tomorrow. Till then, happy trading, and can't wait to see you tomorrow in the live trade room.